Hi guys, today I'm making the crispy okra known as a bhindi also. I'm going to show how I cut the okra like that. I'm going to cut this okra like that. Okay, and it's like too big, so I have to cut in the middle. If some bhindi is like small, so you can leave like that also. See, this is not good, so you not have to put this one. For the okra, we're going to need some ingredient: 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili, 1 teaspoon of mango powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon whole cumin, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder. I have a 1 teaspoon of garam masala. I have a 2 teaspoon of gram flour, green chili to cut in the middle to give the flavor in the okra. I'm going to put the pan and then put the heat on the high. I'm going to add mustard oil, at least 3 spoon of mustard oil. Let it heat up because mustard oil you have to heat up little bit extra than the another oil. Now my oil is getting hot, so I have to add the cumin seeds. Then I'm going to add my okra and stir it well. Mix up with the oil. I'm going to add my coriander powder. See, it takes me 10 to 15 minutes to fry this one. It is 5 minutes, but I have to stir this one because I don't want like my okra is just stick in the pan and it's prepared from only one side. So you have to stir like that, little by little, slowly. It is already 8 minutes, so I have to add the salt now. It's like almost half prepared. I'm going to add the gram flour and mix up well. I'm going to add the green chili. I have to fry it like 5 minutes more again to get it brown. Check if it's not burned from the sides. See, it look like that. Then you have to add the red chili powder. You have add the mango powder, and you have to add the garam masala and the cumin powder. Then mix it all well together. See, look, now this is crispy, and now time to close the gas. See, it was crispy, but still it is very soft. See, it's very soft to eat.